Canceling your NordVPN subscription is extremely easy to do. First thing you need to do is you go on to the internet, because we actually cannot do it in the app itself. So what you want to do is you go onto the internet, just any web browser will work, and you basically want to type in NordVPN like so. Now, once you actually type that in, we can actually scroll past the sponsored link and go to their official website like here. When we're on the website, all you're going to want to do is you click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, click on the login option, where from here you want to sign in with the account associated with the email that your NordVPN account is linked to. Now, once you actually sign into your account like so, it'll bring you to this page like so, where from here, all you're going to want to do is you just want to actually click on billing information if you want to change your billing information, where it'll bring you to this page like so, where from here, you click on billing information and you can actually see auto renewal is right here. And you basically just want to click on cancel that. And as you can see, you can cancel auto renewal and this will no longer cost you your NordVPN subscription. And from there, you've canceled the plan. And if you do want to get your money back, if they've already fined you, what you want to do is you go into NordVPN help and support like here, just type in help and support, and as you can see, there's simply a website here. You can contact support and send them a short little email, and once you actually send them a short little email, you can actually just send them something like this, and yeah, as you can see, they'll give you a refund simply as